All right, here's the setup for today. I'm using a Fenwick world-class rod. It's 7'2", medium extra fast. Just really kind of my favorite all-around jig rod where I'm making long casts. That's what the extra length allows me to do. With the reel, it's a MGX 30. Bigger spool size than something I'd use for vertical jigging. And again, that's for these long casts. When I set the hook, I want to be able to reel down fast and pick up line. That's why I like the bigger size spool of the MGX 30. On the business end of this setup, it's really pretty simple. It's just a jig head and a fluke. We've been using Berkley power minnows all day. They have a nice limber action, but really the only action you're gonna get from this bait is just that tail kind of waving around on the fall. So it's really not like a high action of a paddle tail. This one just kind of floats down. It's really one of the best fish catchers of all time. As far as color, we've arrived at just a few colors today. One of them is the smelt. The other one I've been using mostly is pearl white. And then even on a really sunny day, the chartreuse shad is a go-to. So basically, using the active target, we get to see pretty quickly the reaction of these fish to our color. And as we start going through them, there's gonna be a specific color that triggers fish, and it might even be hour to hour. So next time you're out on Lake Mille Lacs and you wanna have as much fun as we have today, keep it simple. Put a quarter, 3/8 ounce jig head on, couple it with a Berkley power minnow, and you're gonna be giggling just like this all day long.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.